Scooter na tayo.
Okay. Mike, can I go to the playground?
Yeah.
Together?
Sige. Nandahan. Lamig.
You want to see my gymnastics? Need to take it off slipper. I don't want to do the itchy one again.
Exercise ka na lang.
Yeah. Gymnastics and exercise. Pwede ako po dito.
Toy.
Ow! What?
Hindi ka din lalamig. Na?
Two.
Hindi ka lalamig.
And then.
Lam-
One, two. One, two. One, two. Need a big space for this.
Toy.
Make sure to last this bracelet.
Okay. Toy.
Actually, I want to go to playground this way.
Nahihilo ko eh.
Have a slow like this. Just sit down.
Ay, bawal pala ako dyan.
Oh.
Pambata lang daw yan.
Wait, do you want to see how we're going? Yeah.
Mahulog ka danda. Ano, huwag ka ganun masyado. Eh.
Actually, for... Yeah. Jump.
Oy.
And for practice that. Stop. And do it up. Kind of heavy. I can this one. I can do the higher. But I think I keep taking my mind. It's this. Look at my end. I can dig. This is good. Huh? Ow!
Ang gawa mo?
Digging dirt. You know what? Ow! Ow! What's wrong? There is.
Ay, wag dyan. Kasi baka pagalitan tayo. Tingnan mo, oh, may flowers, oh. Tingnan natin yung flowers, oh.
Saan?
Ayun, ang dami.
Oh, dear.
Ito, oh. Ang liit, oh.
Oh.
Ito, tingnan mo to. Ang liit.
So sweet. Not that sweet.
Ang liit na. Ang cute. Malaglag ka dyan. Dandahan.
I think I'm gonna do it. Do that gymnastic. Why can I push me in the back? Why push me in the back?
Okay. Oh. Hawak ka. Hawak ka mabuti. Naglaya.
I'm taller. Mommy, push me.
Mami, push na kita. Push you.
I'm not harder.
No, baka malaglag ka.
Okay
Hmm.
lang yan.
Ano okay lang yan?
I almost 7.
7. Matagal pa yun. Shoo. Ooh.
Why you push me?
Uy. Laglag ka, umawak ka.
Sesame! Sesame, sesame.
Shee.
Dito ba tayo? Again?
Ang ganda ng hair mo.
Thank you, cuz you cut this, remember?
Oo. Huwag ka.
Okay,
I-sleep it ako.
I can hold this, but push me.
Di ba nandito yung papaya?
Mom, just push me.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Ay, ayun yung papaya, oh. Hindi natin makita. Papaya.
I have is just like there, and
Hindi natin
we
makita.
don't know we can climb there, so that's why.
Bawal
I
na.
can't really see.
Bawal.
I can't really see. Let's just like push me. And the front. Woo. What? Push me, push. Push me, push. My push me.
Ayun na, oh.
Push me.
Uy.
My push me.
Aray ko, sinipa mo ko eh. Sinipa mo.
No,
Sinipa mo ko eh.
Mommy, do it. Do it.
Ay.
Push me.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Ang dami
Push
naman.
me. I'm strong enough. Go, keep going.
Hindi ka pa pagod?
Hindi.
Hindi. Aray, aray ko eh. Natamaan ako eh.
Woo!
Ayoko na.
Why push me?
Ayoko na.
Push me!
Ay!
Okay, that's enough
Okay
for
na.
today.
Dadahan, ha? Yeah! Yuy!
Okay.
Yuy!
Wait, do you get my bracelet?
Ito.
Yeah, I think I can put it there. That was a good one.
Tara na, kain na tayo ng dinner. May pasok ka tomorrow eh.
I don't want to
Tomorrow's Monday. Oh, okay. 5 minutes. 2 minutes. Ano yung dance mo?
You like this?
Eh. Azu. Yung okay, count ka. Side. Walk in the side. 1, 2, 3. Azu.
This looks like a horse.
Yeah. Set mo na yung helmet mo. Ah.
Where are you going now?
Yeah, kain tayo ng dinner.
I wish we have I wish we are students in Las Vegas.
But you have pasok. Ang ganda ng oh. Ang ganda ng oh. Ng sky. Ang ganda ng sky, oh. Ang sky, kulay blue. Diba?
Sky.
Ang ganda na ng weather. What time na? Anong time na? Magsi-6 na, di ba? 6:10 na yun.
Mommy, do you know people know how to do this? So 2 foot in here
Yeah.
and they need to jump all
Ah, that's ano.
here.
Hindi naman ano yun?
Yeah.
What's it?
Skateboard.
Oh, yun, skateboard.
We're done yun.
Oo.
But I can't really do that today because too young.
Yeah.
Like,
Mahirap yun.
yeah, but he is so cute. After trying that so long. Yeah. And I am practicing to my foot here and to do the May. But my foot it keeps falling out of here.
Practice ka lang. Eh, hindi naman ano yun, skateboard eh.
I did like this.
Masisira yung scooter mo. Ah!
You think we can do this?
Tara na.
No.
Dito kain na.
Okay.
Aha, suot mo na yung helmet mo.
Helmet.
Hmm.
Come.
Hintay mo ako.
Bye, look at this.
Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Open the door.